Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to you all. In this video, I am going to answer to a few questions which I received in my previous video about how to conduct online examination using Google Classroom. So without any delay, let me begin the video. The first question is from Prerna Rathore. Is this work on Android? So she has a doubt whether we can conduct online examination using mobile phone. And Mrs. Bipasha Nath asked me a question. In mobile, I can't create question. So she has a doubt whether we can create online examination using mobile phone. I have received one more question related to the same query from Maths Magneto. Sir, just wanted to know whether can we create a quiz from mobile? I checked it out. There is no option of quiz in Google Classroom when opened in mobile. So to these three questions, let me show you how to set question paper to conduct online examination in Google Forms. First, log in into Google Chrome and select a new tab, and in that tab type this address forms.google.com. If you type this forms.google.com, you will get a new untitled form to set the question paper to conduct online examination. So here you can see untitled form is opened. First let us go to settings. Under general, select collect email address. Under require sign in, limit to one response, and come to presentation. Under presentation, click show progress bar and shuffle question order also. Now most important is under quizzes, select this as make this quiz. Under quiz options, to release grade, by default it is selected immediately after each submission. According to your convenience, you can change the settings. Now come to the questions. Now let me show you how to set a question for MCQ question. So let me type the question here. What is the capital of India? So this is a multiple choice question. I set using mobile phone only in Google Forms. Let me give the first option. New Delhi. And let me give the second option also. I will give the second option for this question as Bangalore. Now once I complete giving option 2 also, let me select this question as required so that students can't skip this question. And after that, you have to give points to this question or marks to this question and select the right option, and then click done. To create one more question, select the copy option at the bottom, and here you can see I can set this question as short answer question or a paragraph question or multiple choice question, checkbox question, drop down question, even file upload question also. That means all options which are available in laptop or desktop are also available in mobile phone to conduct online examination or to set the question paper to conduct online examination without any problem. Even you can check responses also, and even you can stop accepting responses also using your mobile phone. Once you set the question paper to conduct online examination, now you can even check other settings also. Preview also you can check, and even you can add collaborators also, and you can make a copy also, Once all the settings set by you properly, then now it is time to send the question paper to student. You can send this question paper to multiple students also using multiple email IDs. So let me show you how to send the question paper using email ID. This is one of the options. Or you can even send the question paper using WhatsApp. For that, you have to come to the second option and copy the link, and you can share the link through WhatsApp. So there are 2 or 3 different methods are there to send the question paper to students. Now let me use the email address and let me send. To send the question paper, click send, and the question paper is sent to the student. So this is the way you can set the question paper using your mobile phone and to conduct the online examination. Next question, question number 2, question from Manju Tiwari. Thanks sir for this video, very nicely explained. Sir, I am a teacher and taking classes on Google Meet. Do I need to download Google Classroom also to conduct online examination? If you are conducting online classes using Google Meet, you need not to download Google Classroom also to conduct online exam. You can directly log into the Google Drive and create a form, and then you can set the question paper to conduct online examination. Next question, I received this question from Mohammad Shimul. Sir, how a student give online exam? If any code to give online exam, can a teacher give time for that exam? Yes, you can give the question paper link to the students, or you can give the Google Classroom code to the students so that they can log into your classroom and they will go to the assignment or quiz assignment part, and they will click the Google form you have uploaded in the assignment part. The easiest method is send the link through the WhatsApp to the student number or through email ID. You can even schedule the exam also under the schedule tab, and you can schedule the date and time also properly for this examination without any problem. Next question, I received this question from Bulu Sharma. Is it compulsory for students to have a desktop or laptop to take the exam? Can I send my questions through multiple emails? Students can give the online examination using mobile phone without any problem if the question paper has only MCQ questions. But if the question paper has short answer questions or paragraph questions, for students it is difficult to type the answers using mobile phone, then they have to use laptop or desktop. To the second question, yes, you can send the question paper to n number of emails without any problem. Next question is, I received this question from Ruma Bhattacharya. The question is it helpful for English literature online tests also? It is very much useful to conduct English literature examinations online without any problem, because to set the questions for conducting English exam is easy, and to write answers to this exam also very easy. Next question, I received this question from math teacher. Can we conduct maths exam through this? Can we type maths symbol? Yes, you can conduct mathematics exam also. To set the mathematics question paper using Google Forms is little tricky, but it is not impossible. To know how to set the mathematics question paper using Google Forms, you can please watch this video here. And I give this video link also in the description box below so that you can set the mathematics question paper without any problem. Next question, I received this question from CA Shobit Agarwal. Can you make a video of how to write long answers in online exam? Yes, I have already made the video how to set a descriptive question paper to conduct online examination. You may watch that video. I will give the link to that video in the description box below. It is not very difficult to set long answers in online exam, but the students have to write this exam using laptop or desktop. I received this question from Kajan Singh. सर अगर हम पैराग्राफ में से क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स के लिए क्या करें? So the same video is useful to set the paragraph questions to conduct online examination. Next question. I received this question from Sainathan Banerjee. Can we give students to draw diagrams on graph? Yes, you can give questions to students to write or even draw the diagrams on graph. For that, you have to set the question file upload option so that students can draw diagrams on graph. They will click the pictures and they can upload that file using file upload option in Google Forms. Next question. I received this question from Prince Singh. Does Google Classroom come with webcam facility also? Like while writing the exam, will students be visible on screen? No, it is not possible. You can't monitor the students while you are conducting online examination using webcam. That option is not provided in the Google Classroom. In connection with the same kind of question, I also received one more question from Hello Olo, name little funny. The question is very difficult and it was really challenging for me to answer. Sir, is a real-time proctoring possible in Google Classroom? No, it is not possible to real-time proctoring in Google Classroom. That option is available only in high-end examinations, or we have to purchase sophisticated software to conduct examination. Next question. I received this question from Afia. How can we make assessment of subject Urdu or maths? This question from Vishnu. Hello sir, I just wanted to know that how can a language teacher conduct long answer question answers, especially other language teachers like Sanskrit and all? What are the options available? Yes, to conduct online examination other than English is not so easy, but already I have made a video to conduct online examinations for different subjects. You can check the video. I will give the link in the description box below so that you can set the question paper not only for English subject but also any other subject. And the last set of questions are very interesting. I received this question from Raj Kumar. How to set time limit for exam? I received one more question from Akash Ghosh. Sir, can we set time limit for each question? I don't think we can set time limit for each and every question, but we can set the time limit for the entire examination using add-on. You have to download this add-on time limiter, and I'll show you how to set the time limit for this examination. To set the timings for the question paper as well as the number of responses you want to accept, you have to download form limiter. To download form limiter, first go to settings and come to add-ons. Click add-ons. That will take you into a new window. Here you can see form limiter. Click the form limiter. As I have already installed form limiter in my Google Forms, I will not again install it. Now once you install the form limiter, then come to your question paper, click the add-on, select form limiter, click set limit. Then one pop-up window will open up towards your right side of the screen. Here you can see form limiter. Under form limiter, select limit type. Under select limit type, you have to select date and time and number of form responses. First select date and time. We will fix the date and time for this exam. Select date as per your convenience. You can fix the time AM or PM. So once you set the timings for this examination, then come to number of responses you would like to accept to this form. Now let us learn how to set even receiving responses also. So click again limit type, and here you can see number of responses. You can set limit and you can add 10 or 20 depending upon the number of students who are going to attend your online exam. So set time, date and number of responses, then click save and enable. And if you want to disable this form limiter, click disable. In this way you can set the time, date and number of responses also for your entire examination. Google Form will automatically close or stop receiving responses once the scheduled time reached. So these are the questions I have received. In fact, I have received hundreds of questions regarding how to conduct online examination. I cannot clarify all those doubts at a time. So this is the question and answer clearing session 1. If you have any more doubts, you can please leave in the comment box below so that I can respond to your question in the next question and answer session. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe and stay strong. All the best.